In this video, I'm going to walk you through the unified appointment screen in your mobile app. You can manage every appointment from one place. The unified appointment screen brings appointment details, attendees, notes, form submissions, activity history, and payments into one tab view. This will help your team to manage bookings without needing to switch between contacts, forms, calendars, or payments. This will help you to save time, reduce tab switching, collect payments a lot faster, and of course, stay organized. Before using the unified appointment screen, please make sure that your team has access to the calendar feature and is using the most updated version of the app. So first of all, open the app, then navigate to the calendar tab. Then find an existing appointment, just open it, click on it, and here you can see the available tabs. You can see the details, the attendees, the form submissions, notes, activity log, and payments if configured. You can select each individual tab to manage the appointment. So inside the details tab, you will find the core information of the booking. This is crucial information for your team to confirm, update, or review the booking. The attendees tab will help you to review who is associated with the appointment. This is very useful for confirming guests, reviewing participants, and understanding who is expected to attend the meeting. The Form Submissions tab allows users to review the form submission responses. This will help teams to prepare for meetings, services, consultations, or calls by keeping submitted intake confirmation close to the appointment. In the mobile unified appointment screen, form submissions currently include the default forms. Custom form support is planned for the future update. The Notes tab will give your team a chance to review internal notes. Notes help preserve contacts, document updates, and support smoother handoffs between staff members. So appointment notes are intended for internal team use and help users to keep important contacts available across the entire appointment workflow. The Activity Log tab provides a read-only timeline of appointment updates. This helps teams to understand what changed, when it changed, and how the appointment has progressed over time. The Activity Log is read-only and is designed to help users to review the appointment history without editing the timeline. And lastly, the Payments tab. This tab appears when payments are configured within the appointment. This tab helps users to review the payments activity and collect payments from the appointment screen without navigating to a separate payment area. If the Payment tab doesn't appear, the payment settings may not be configured within this appointment or even calendar. And if you're thinking about signing up or upgrading your HighLevel account, please consider doing this through our affiliate link because it comes with amazing bonuses such as white label videos, including free monthly updates of all the new things that are going on within HighLevel, support ticket snapshots, review snapshots, agency snapshots, marketing snapshots, and much more. I will see you over there.